Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we were talking about YouTube, and a lot of you had comments that just shows us the reality of YouTube. That today is, in some cases, witness to history, and there's videos that have been uploaded that probably there's no copies anywhere else. And of course, when we heard that Google wanted to remove any accounts, any Gmail accounts that were more than 2 years old, the first item, and a lot of people actually thought about that at first. First item was, yeah, but what about all the YouTube videos that we could lose? And that's where YouTube is something essential. You can't, I know there's a lot of trash on YouTube. There's a lot of things that are useless, but there's a lot of content that is amazing, and I am one of the first big consumers of YouTube for the content that it can provide you. It's just crazy. It's, old TV shows that nobody has copies of anymore. I know one of the things that I like to watch because it makes me laugh today when you watch it is all the old Computer Chronicles show. You go back to the 80s and the 90s show, and you're like, wow, when one of the episodes is like War of the Hard Drives, it's like they're talking about 50 megabyte hard drives that are big, like almost like a truck. You look at that and you're like, wow, we've come a long way. But it's fun. But these are witness to history that need to be kept, and there's a lot of that. And some of you have been asking me because I have channels that I've abandoned. I told you in one of my in the video we talked about it. When I started doing YouTube videos, I wanted to see, kind of test the water, like go fishing. Let's make a lot of YouTube channels with different subjects and see which ones actually get, popular or not. And at the end, I've kept two that are really the main channels that I post to every day. This one, of course, which is the Windows Computer and Technology, but I also have one which caters to shortwave radio, amateur radio. I got quite a few. So the one that I have that caters to radio and amateur radio is this one, which is official SWL channels, 42,000 subs, and got a lot of videos here. I got a lot of videos dealing with radio listening. On this one, I do a live show every Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I review radios. I do things, talk about amateur radio as I do make contacts with amateur radio and talk about different things. So if you are interested in that kind of subject, this I think is a great channel for you guys that might be interested. I'll actually post a link to all of these channels in the description below if anybody's interested in watching what's out there. One that a lot of people ask me, you talked about one which is, old computers and old games. And this one is particularly one that I abandoned. As you see here, if I look at the last post 7 years ago, I haven't posted videos in 7 years on this channel. Not a lot of subscribers, 568 you see here, but I do have 297 videos. I actually have been thinking of redoing, doing videos again on this channel. My Commodore 64, Commodore 128, Amiga 500, Atari 1040 ST are all in good working order. I could easily make videos again. And one of the things that I thought, is to maybe talk more about these old devices, and I've modified them with SD card readers to replace of course the hard drives that are not the hard drives but the floppy drives that are kind of floppy disks are kind of rough to. I probably have 1,000 floppy disks here, but they're kind of difficult to find, and they go bad after a certain amount of time. And so the SD card is the way to go now, and replaces the floppy, but it's the real machines. I do not like emulators. I like the real machines to do stuff. So this is one I'm thinking of, probably doing videos again and kind of coming back and say, hey, I'm back. So if you guys want to, and if you guys are interested in me coming back and doing videos again, maybe let me know. I'll do them in a different style. I'm thinking of maybe doing them with, like, being in, like, instead of just showing a screen, I'll be there talking. You'll see me talk about a specific game or specific items about different computers like that. So I don't know. It's something I'm thinking about, especially now that I have access to this one. I used to make live shows with my nephew where we it was just funny because we would get drunk and play a specific game, and pretty much if you look at the live show, so these were the live shows. So we would get drunk and play games and try to see who beats who and who gets the best score. Today would be much better in the way that it's done. These are old, but man, we had a lot of fun with that. Once again, the channels will be in the description below if you want to go and see them. 2 channels, of course. I've got, of course, this channel, Windows Computer and Technology, which is one of my main channels that I take care of, with the amateur radio one, and one also that has a radio show that I do on a local radio station here in Montreal. I'm co-host of a show called International Radio Report, which talks about the events happening in the week of radio. The show is on a radio station here in Montreal called CKUT on 90.3 FM. And we do a YouTube version of that show to have people watch. So every week we have one show that we post and talk about what's happening in the world of radio, of course. So, and I have a lot more that I kind of, lost. I had one that I had done with Office, Microsoft Office. I thought maybe it would be good to have like online Office, easy courses online for using Word, Excel, PowerPoint. I think I missed opportunities in some of them. There are a couple of channels that I've abandoned after only maybe 20, 30 videos, and I'm surprised going back to see that some of the videos had more than 100,000 views. So it's like they're thinking about, okay, maybe I missed an opportunity. Problem with YouTube making videos is the time that it consumes, how long it takes making the videos, getting the ideas, making the videos, posting them up. So you can't, at the beginning you think, oh, I'm going to have 10 channels, and then you're like, yeah, no, you can't take care of 10 channels. It's impossible. So you kind of go down and down and down and, eventually just fall down on a simple, the ones that are popular, you just could concentrate on those. But anyways, it is a testament of how YouTube is definitely a repository of amazing things that needs to be kept online. And Google can't just, take all the videos of a channel that's not been there for a long time and just remove the videos. It would be a great loss, and you would be surprised at the amount of channels that exist that might have content you watch, but that haven't been posted in years. But the videos are there, and they're still available, and they're fun to watch. So, a lot of stuff that needs to be kept, of course, on the YouTube channels. So I think it's important to keep it online as a testament also to time and kind of history, if you want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching. The link to my other channels are in the description below.